Trading in the Nifty 50, India's benchmark stock market index, involves speculating on or gaining exposure to the performance of the top 50 companies listed on the National Stock Exchange, NSE. Below is a concise guide on how to trade in Nifty, covering key methods, strategies, and considerations tailored for beginners and intermediate traders. 1. Understand the Nifty 50. What is Nifty 50? It's an index of 50 large-cap companies across 13 sectors, representing over 60% of the NSE's free-float market capitalization. It's a barometer of the Indian economy and market sentiment. Why trade Nifty? Diversification. Exposure to 50 stocks reduces unsystematic risk compared to individual stocks. Liquidity. Nifty futures and options are among the most liquid derivative contracts globally. Lower volatility. Nifty futures have an annualized volatility of 16-17%, lower than individual stocks, 30% for stocks like Infosys. Historical returns. Nifty has delivered a CAGR of 11.8% over 15 years, 2008 to 2023. 2 ways to trade in Nifty. You cannot directly buy or sell the Nifty index as it's not a stock. Instead, you can trade or invest through the following instruments. A. Nifty futures. What? Contracts to buy or sell the Nifty index at a predetermined price on a future date. Each lot represents 50 units of the index. How it works. Bullish view. If you expect Nifty to rise, example, from 24,000 to 25,000, buy a futures contract. Profit if the index rises above the contract price. Bearish view. Sell a futures contract if you expect a decline. Profit if the index falls below the contract price. Key points. Requires a margin, a fraction of the contract value, example, 10-15% of 24,000 rupees times 50 is equal to 1.8 lakh. Contracts expire on the last Thursday of the month, current, mid, or far month. Cash settled, no physical delivery. B. Nifty options. What? Contracts giving the right, not obligation, to buy, call option, or sell, put option. The Nifty index at a specific strike price by a specific date. One lot is equal to 75 units. How it works. Call option, buy if you expect Nifty to rise. E.g., if Nifty is at 24,000, buy a 24,200 call option for a premium, example 200 rupees. Profit if Nifty rises above 24,400, strike plus premium. Put option, buy if you expect Nifty to fall. E.g., buy a 23,800 put option, profit if Nifty falls below the strike minus the premium. Selling options, sell calls or puts to collect premiums, but this carries higher risk for sellers. Key points. Lower capital requirement than futures due to premium-based pricing. Losses for buyers are limited to the premium paid. Sellers face potentially unlimited losses. Ideal for intraday trading due to high liquidity and leverage. C. Nifty exchange-traded funds, ETFs. What? Funds that track the Nifty 50 index and trade like stocks on the NSE. How it works. Buy ETF units through a trading account to gain exposure to the entire Nifty 50 portfolio. E.g., Nippon India ETF Nifty 50Bs mirrors the index's performance. Key points. Lower risk than derivatives, suitable for long-term investors. Lower costs compared to actively managed mutual funds. Tradable intraday like stocks. D. Nifty index funds. What? Mutual funds that replicate the Nifty 50's composition and performance. How it works. Invest through a lump sum or systematic investment plan, SIP, via AMCs, example UTI, HDFC, or platforms like Grow. Fund managers ensure the portfolio mirrors the Nifty 50's weightage. Key points: low risk and no need for active trading, ideal for passive investors. Offers diversification and stable long-term returns till the 13% annualized over 15 years. No emotional bias in stock selection. Steps to start trading Nifty. Open a trading and demat account. Choose a broker, example Zerodha, Grow, Bajaj Broking, and complete KYC with documents like PAN, Aadhaar, and income proof. Ensure the account supports futures and options, F&O, trading for derivatives. Learn market basics. Understand key concepts like margin, lot size, expiry, and option Greeks, delta, theta, etc. Study technical analysis, example RSI, moving averages, and fundamental factors, example economic data, corporate earnings. Choose a trading strategy. Intraday trading, buy sell within the same day to capitalize on short-term price swings. Use strategies like buying calls puts, bet on upward-downward moves. E.g., buy a call if Nifty is expected to rise from 24,000 to 24,200. Bear call spread, sell a call at a lower strike and buy a higher strike to limit risk. Long straddle, buy both call and put options at the same strike for volatile markets. Swing trading. Hold positions for days, weeks using daily, weekly charts to identify trends. Positional trading. Hold futures options for longer periods based on fundamental analysis. Monitor the market. Use Nifty intraday charts, open interest, and option chains to gauge trends. Track economic events, geopolitical news, and FII/DII activity. Manage risks. Use stop-loss orders to limit losses. Avoid overleveraging. Futures and options amplify both gains and losses. Start with small positions if you're a beginner. Key strategies for Nifty trading. Technical analysis. Use indicators like RSI, MACD, or moving averages, example 50 EMA, to identify entry-exit points. Example, if Nifty is above the 50 EMA, consider a bullish call option. Momentum trading. Capitalize on strong price movements using short-term trends. Hedging. Use options to protect against adverse price movements in futures or stock portfolios. Iron Condor, a low-risk options strategy for range-bound markets, selling out of the mini calls and puts. Scalping. Quick trades to capture small price movements, ideal for intraday options. 5. Risks and considerations. High volatility. Nifty can experience significant swings, example -51% in some years, +70% in others. Leverage risk. Futures and options amplify losses, only trade with capital you can afford to lose. Time decay. Options lose value as expiry approaches, theta effect. Liquidity and impact cost. Ensure trades are executed at low impact cost, less than 0.50% for Nifty stocks. Discipline. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to a strategy and risk management plan. Practical tips for beginners. Start with a demo account to practice without real money. Trade small lot sizes initially to understand market dynamics. Focus on one instrument, example options, before exploring others. Avoid trading during high-impact news events unless experienced. Regularly review your trades to learn from mistakes. Example trade, intraday options. Scenario, Nifty is at 24,600. You expect it to rise to 24,800 by day end. Action, buy a 24,700 call option, premium, 150 rupees, lot size, 75. Outcome, if Nifty reaches 24,800, the option's value may rise to 250 rupees. Profit is equal to 250 to 150 times 75 is equal to 7,500 rupees minus fees. If Nifty falls, your loss is limited to 150 rupees times 75 is equal to 11,250 rupees. Risk management: set a stop loss at a 20% premium loss. Example, exit if premium falls to 120 rupees. Disclaimer: trading in Nifty derivatives involves significant risk and is not suitable for everyone. Conduct thorough research, consult a financial advisor, and read all risk disclosure documents before trading.